good afternoon. Welcome to Foods of the World. And today I'm gonna do a delicious beef lasagna with beans. I'll show you all the ingredients and let's cooking at home. Okay, for this lasagna I got lots of ingredients here. I'm gonna explain step by step. So for the lasagna I got the minced beef, got some diced onions, diced fresh tomato, I got the kidney beans, diced carrots, roasted garlic, bayleaves, 2 cubes of chicken stock, mixed herbs, salt and pepper, and this is for the lasagna, olive oil to fry as well. Okay, and we're gonna do a cheese sauce. We're gonna use milk, cheese, and I'm gonna thicken up with corn flour. And that's all for the recipe, step by step. And I got the lasagna sheets in here as well. Lasagna sheets. Okay, let's start with the olive oil. Okay, make sure that it's going to be hot so I can fry the onions. Okay, it needs to be hot. Okay, let's add the onions. Okay, the oil is hot. Can you see the oil is hot? So you can listen to the noise. Okay, let's fry these onions. And let's add the bay leaves. Let's fry until it goes nice golden brown. Yes. Hey, came up. The leaf stuck to the wood. Okay, they're looking good, nice color, nice beautiful color. Add the roasted garlic, yeah, roasted garlic, and let's give a good mix, Beautiful. Beautiful color. Next thing, add the diced carrots, Add the diced carrots in there and give a good mix, and let it cook for another, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes. Delicious, they're delicious, they look so delicious. I love lasagna. And the next step, add some mixed herbs, dried mixed herbs. That will give you the flavor. And dried mixed herbs and mix it. Dried mixed herbs, we got oregano, basil, parsley. Yeah, so nice. And it gives a nice flavor. Okay, the next step, you're gonna add the minced beef. Minced beef. Add all the minced beef. And let's give a good mix. And let's cook until it's fully cooked. Okay, let it cook until it's fully cooked to do the next step up. Looking good, Looking good. Good. Okay, your beef is fully cooked. Add the chopped tomatoes. That's a fresh chopped tomatoes, And let's give a nice mix, Okay, let's add the chicken stock. I got 2 cubes of stock here. I like chicken cubes, so I use the chicken one, not beef. So it gives a nice flavor. Okay, and after just mix it, and that will dissolve everything there. Yeah, they will dissolve in the juice of the tomato. Okay, let it cook. Okay. And now I'm gonna add some smoked paprika. Smoked paprika. Yeah, a bit of smoked paprika. That will give you a nice flavor there. Look at that, It's starting to look good, Very good, Okay, let it boil. Yeah, let it cook out for about 10 minutes, Yeah, until it cooks all the carrots and everything, Look at that, looking good, That's the bolognese sauce, to make this delicious lasagna. Add a bit of black pepper. Yeah, black pepper gives a nice flavor. Yes, I like black pepper. And a touch of salt, Okay. Let it cook, Okay, and the next thing, add the kidney beans. Okay, let's add the beans. They'll flavors up. Kidney beans already cooked, so all I need is to cook out a bit, flavor up, with the bolognese and all the rest of the ingredients. So give a nice flavor. Okay, let it carry on cook out for another 10 minutes, and should be delicious. Wow, look at this, Looking good. Look how good it looks, It looks yummy, with that kidney beans inside there. Wow, looks delicious, Okay, as the bolognese is cooking there, now here we're gonna do the cheese sauce, The cheese sauce, Okay, we're gonna add some cold milk in here, a little bit of cold milk, and the rest we need to boil it in here, Okay. Okay, and this one here is the corn flour. We're gonna add it to the cold milk. Corn flour, add it to the cold milk, and let's give it a good mix. Let's find the whisk. Yeah, and let's give it a good mix. Okay. Let's wait this one to boil a little bit, and after we're gonna thicken up with that corn flour. Yeah, and of course cheese as well. We're gonna thicken up with cheese as well. Let's add a little bit of salt, for flavor. Yeah, got a bit of salt for flavor, and a bit of black pepper as well. Yeah, will give more flavor. Yeah, nearly there, nearly there. Okay, let's add the corn flour and let's mix it gentle until it cooks out. Yeah, let's mix it. Keep it mixing until it thickens up a bit. Yeah, let's mix this one here. Good. Understand it good. Nearly thicken up. Okay. Let's add some cheese, a lot of cheese. To make a cheese sauce, you need to add a lot of cheese. Let's mix it in. Yep. Mix it until it thickens up and melts. It'll be a nice and thick cheese sauce in here. Nice and thick cheese sauce. The bolognese is ready with the kidney beans. Beautiful. And now we got the white sauce here. Look at that, cheesy and nice and thick. That's what you want, like that, cheesy and thick like that, eh? Look at that, eh? The melted cheese in here, nice white sauce, cheesy. Yeah, it's made with corn, yeah, so it's gluten free, this one, eh? But the lasagna will be not gluten free because of the lasagna sheet. Yeah, okay. Look at that, eh? Beautiful, cheesy. Look at that, I'm so happy. Cheesy, thick and cheesy sauce. Eh? Beautiful, huh? Let's put the sauce here, okay? And now, let's do the lasagna. Look at that bolognese, so good. Yeah, let's put one layer underneath it. Yeah. Okay, one layer underneath it. It's very hot. Can you see? It's smoky, eh? Nice and hot. Yeah, and just sprinkle a touch, you know, of the white sauce in here. Eh? Sprinkle a bit of white sauce. Eh? Cheesy sauce there, eh? Here we go, look at that, eh? Looks so good, looks so good. And now, lasagna sheets, eh? Lasagna sheets, eh? I'm gonna put lasagna sheet there, lasagna sheet there, break one in the middle, and this one here, break in the side there, yeah, in there, eh? Yeah, look at that, eh? Okay, and let's do the same again, eh? The same again, eh? Let's fill up with the bolognese, yeah? Bolognese with that beautiful kidney beans, yeah? Look at that, eh? Looking good. Look at that, eh? Bit of liquid, because this needs to thicken up, eh? Wow, look at that. And do it the same again, eh? A bit of cheesy, yeah. Does it look delicious? And a bit of cheesy sitting in the side. Like elastic, eh? There we go, that's all you need, eh? That's all you need. There's a bit of that, yeah? Look at this, eh? Looks delicious. And let's do the same again, eh? Lasagna, yeah. Yeah, cut the side so it stays it level there. Yeah, cut the side there. Stay level. And another one, which you're gonna cut in half. Yeah, to fill up the middle. This one here to fill up the sides there. And this one to fill the side there. Okay, if you have to use a bit more, use a bit more. There we go. Perfect. Eh? And the same again. Eh? Let's fill up with meat, yeah, meat and beans, eh? Wow, beautiful, beautiful, eh? Making noise there, eh? Okay, let's spread. Look at that, looks so good, eh? Looks so good. Yeah, the same again with the cheese. Let's spread again the cheese. Let's do a lot of layers, eh? Another one of cheese there. Beautiful, eh? I love cheese, eh? Do you love cheese? And let's do another final layer of lasagna, eh? Let's cut this side here, like that. Here. One to put in the middle, yeah. This one to put in the side there. And this one put in the side there, yeah? Look at this, eh? Looking good. And let's do the same again, eh? Bolognese and sauce. And let's spread everywhere, eh? Okay, like this. Let's cover the lasagna sheet, eh? Let's cover everything, yeah? Look at this, eh? Looking good, eh? Look good. And the next step is cheese, eh? lots of cheese sauce in here. Mash a bit, yeah. Cheese sauce, eh? Look at that, looking good. And not finished yet. It's not finished yet. Let's sprinkle some cheese on top, eh? Yeah. Sprinkle with a lot of cheese on top. And let's bake it in the oven, eh? It's ready and ready to bake in the oven. Look at that, eh? Doesn't look delicious, eh? Doesn't look delicious, this? Wow, look at that with the layers there. Very nice, eh? So delicious. And now it's gonna bake in the oven now, eh? For about 35 minutes. Let's put this in the oven at temperature 150, eh? For 35 minutes. Okay, pessoal. People, the lasagna is in the oven, is baking in the oven, and she'll be ready in about 35 minutes. Look at that, it's in the oven, look at that. Looking good, eh? Okay, should be ready in 35 minutes. Aqui está a lasanha, lasanha com feijão, eh? Yeah, lasagna with the beans, look at that, looks so delicious, eh? A lasanha está pronta, agora é só cortar assim. Yeah. Agora e encher no prato. Wow, look at that, eh? Look at that, eh? Looks so nice, eh? Good one. Yeah, that's that beautiful lasagna with the beans, eh? Look at that, so nice and so delicious, eh? Okay, nice recipe. If you like this recipe, share with your friends, eh? So delicious. Okay, people, I hope you like this recipe and do it at home. It's so delicious, so yummy. Look at that, with some beans, eh? Delicious. Okay, for more delicious recipes like this, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll come back with the next video with more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.